Alright, so last week I finished putting the linkage in the car for the shifter, and while doing that I had a moment where I know I broke something. I heard a twang and a bang, and what I found it to be was right down here. There's a micro switch for the reverse lights, so it just kicks that micro switch when you right here, and when we pull it into reverse, it kicks on the micro switch. Well, what went twang and bang was this guy here who activates the micro switch, so I broke that off. So now I gotta take that micro switch off and see if we can fix it. So that's today's ordeal. Come on. Come on. Oh, you gotta be joking. No, don't drop it. Don't drop it. Get it with the pliers. Uh-oh. It's down there somewhere. That'll be fun. Anyway, it's off. Next event, we'll be trying to find that. I'll let this go down there. That'll be easier to find. So the covers. One cover. I do have some trays down there. With any luck, that's where they'll be. Alright. Just take these off of there. So let's take that off and take it over the bench. Alright, so here's our little micro switch here, and light. And here's a little micro switch, and as you can see, what happens is that lever kicks on this little switch here, and it makes things work. And we're busted out of right here. Wasn't there like almost wants to, I don't know, to make it stay there. Just get it back in there. I think that'll make it work. Got a little redneck in me. So what I did is I made up out of a piece of sheet metal a little, there you go, you can see that. Just something, a little curved piece in there with a slot to help hold that side in. So I got the name of the part numbers off of this, so I can basically order another one of these, and in the meantime while I'm waiting for it, this will work. Put it back on the car. Hard to stay focused on this car and the task at hand. Quite often I find myself finding a nice line and staring at it for a bit. A little bit snug. And where's the other? it back on. It's a finicky thing. That's for sure. Area's an awkward area. Wait, there's. Feels like progress. Feels like progress. Can't see if it's like progress. It's feeling like progress. Alright. Now we gotta try and get this snugged up without breaking it. That works. That works. Whoopee. Yippee. Yahooey. That works. Alright. Let's get this back together. And I like these tight spaces. Wow. There you go. Alright. Now I gotta get in here. That'd be, I don't know if it'd be easier from the top or from the bottom, but she's tight. Damn, micro switch again. There we go. Thanks, guy. So, when you hit reverse, hard to do the linkage. There, I heard a click. That turns on the rear lights for backing up, the white ones. That's gonna work. Alright. Sweet. I got the part number for it, so I'll order another one just in case it doesn't last. But it's good for now. Alright, that's done. Back there, you can see I can almost see it. Zoom in here. Woo! There we are there. So up in that little area, right there is our micro switch. To bed for the day. About to shut the window. It's been snowing the whole time I've been in here. I don't know if you can see that, but there's about 5 inches out there. Clear up there though.